A CCD, or charge coupled device, is the basis of how digital images are taken nowadays. These square chips are basically what allows us to take digital pictures at a fraction of a second. They're used intensively in astronomy, medical imaging, in your phones, and even in your DSLR cameras. So what are they? CCDs are square silicon chips which have rows of light-sensitive elements called pixels. What this means is that when light falls on the surface, each pixel releases electrons, which build up a potential difference across the ends of each pixel. But how does it actually capture an image? In a CCD, the pixels are arranged in rows where each row is connected to the next. When light falls on the first row of pixels, the pixels in that row release electrons according to how intense the light is and build up charge on those pixels. More intense light would mean a greater number of electrons released and so a greater buildup of charge. The charges then move from the topmost row towards the bottom rows until they hit the register, where they are read one by one and then pass through the ADC converter, which converts these analog signals to digital signals. Now, the intensity of the light is proportional to how much charge builds up in each pixel. If light of greater intensity falls on a pixel, there will be a greater buildup of charge. By going through this whole process, we are measuring the charge in each pixel, which then allows us to find out how intense the light was on each pixel, and that ultimately gives us a black and white image. So, the next time you take a selfie, just take a second to appreciate all the science and engineering that went into this device, which ultimately led you to take a picture of yourself making a funny face.